Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create an Add to Calendar link in an Outlook email. This is extremely useful if you're sending meeting invitations, webinars, appointments, training sessions, or any type of event where you want people to quickly save the event directly into their calendar with just one click. Instead of manually typing event details, your recipients can simply click the link and instantly add the event to Outlook. It's faster, more professional, and much more convenient. So if that sounds helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Outlook tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook on the web. Then, sign in to your Outlook account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click the calendar icon. This will open your Outlook calendar where all your meetings and events are stored. Now we need to create the event that people will add to their calendar. At the top left corner, click the New Event button. A new event window will appear. Start by entering your event title. For example, you could type something like Team Meeting, Weekly Webinar, or Client Appointment. Next, select the date and time for the event. Make sure the timing is correct because this is the information your recipients will see when they add the event to their calendar. You can also add a location if needed. This could be a physical meeting room, office address, or even an online meeting link like Microsoft Teams or Zoom. Below that, you'll see a larger description box. This area is useful for adding extra information such as meeting agendas, instructions, webinar details, or anything attendees should know before joining. Take a moment to review all your event details to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're done, click the Save button. Great, your event has now been created successfully. Now let's create the sharing link. Go ahead and click on the event you just created from your calendar view. Depending on your Outlook version, you may see options like Edit, Share, Forward, or a three-dot More Actions menu. If needed, click Edit first to open the full event settings. Now, look for the option that allows you to share or copy the event link. In some Outlook versions, you may see a direct Copy Link button. In others, you might use the Sharing or Forwarding option to generate the event link. Once the link appears, click Copy Link. Now the calendar link has been copied to your clipboard. Next, let's place this link into an Outlook email. Click the Mail icon on the left-hand side to return to your inbox. Then click New Mail. Enter the recipient's email address and type your subject line. Inside the message body, you can type something simple like, "Click here to add this event to your calendar." Now highlight the text you want to turn into a clickable link. At the bottom of the email editor, click the link icon. Paste the calendar link you copied earlier, then confirm the link. Now your text becomes clickable. Before sending the email, it's always a good idea to quickly test the link yourself to make sure it opens the correct event. Once everything looks good, click Send. Now, when recipients receive your email and click the link, they'll be able to quickly add the event directly to their Outlook calendar. And that's it. You've successfully created an Add to Calendar link in an Outlook email. This is a great way to make scheduling easier, improve attendance, and give your emails a more professional touch. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions or want to see more Outlook tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Summary of steps. 1. Open Outlook on the web. 2. Sign in to your Outlook account. 3. Open the calendar section. 4. Click New Event. 5. Add the event title, date, time, and details. 6. Save the event. 7. Open the event again. 8. Copy the event sharing link. 9. Go back to Outlook Mail. 10. Create a new email. 11. Add the calendar link to clickable text. 12. Send the email to your recipients.